Hi friends, today we're going to be working with improper fractions and mixed numbers. And when I like to think about improper fractions, I like to think of the character from Despicable Me, the guy Gru, and he's like really big on the top and then really small on the bottom. And he's super improper because he's a villain. So improper fractions are fractions that have a bigger number on the top in the numerator and a smaller number on the bottom, the denominator. So we're going to work with this number right here, and we're going to think about an improper fraction for this. So I want to talk about how many pieces are colored in for my set. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 pieces colored in is my numerator. Now remember, in improper fraction, the number on the top, my numerator is going to be bigger than my denominator. My denominator, how I get my parts of the whole is how many pieces one of these is divided into. So this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. They're all divided into 4 pieces. So my denominator is 4 because that's how many pieces each whole was broken into. Okay, so there's my improper fraction. I can also write this as a mixed number. I can talk about how many wholes I have. I have 1 whole and 2 wholes. 2 is going to be my whole because I have 2 shaded in. And then how many parts and pieces are left over for my third one? I have 1, 2, 3 parts colored in, but I could have had 1, 2, 3, 4 parts total. So 2 3/4. I'm also going to show you how to make a mixed number into an improper fraction and how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So the first thing I'm going to do is mixed number 2 3/4. And I'm going to change that into an improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction, the bigger number on the top, the smaller number on the bottom. So when I change mixed to improper, do this like little wheel. Not really sure why I do it, it helps me. And I put a times here and a plus here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 more, 9, 10, 11, is 11. 11 is my numerator. And boop, 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 boop. My denominator stays the same because there were still only 4 pieces. So changing a mixed number to an improper fraction, draw a little loop around, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, and you add in the numerator. That number that you get comes over as the numerator. The denominator slides over. All right, changing an improper to a mixed. This is where you guys get a little confused. Okay. We've talked about this. 11/4. Remember, you're pretending like this little fraction sign is like dividing. So you'd have 11 on the inside and you're dividing it by 4. How many times can 4 go into 11 without going over? 4, 8. 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. I need to subtract. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now, I'm changing it to a mixed number. This is going to be my whole, and then I need a fraction, right? Because we know mixed numbers are a whole with a fraction. This is going to be my whole, and I need my fraction. This little remainder of sorts is going to be my numerator, my 3, and my 4 is going to be my denominator, 2 3/4. Okay, so you're pretending like this is a little division sign. You're changing it to a mixed number. You need your whole. And a mixed number has a whole and a fraction. You get the 3 from the bottom as the numerator, and whatever's over here is going to be your denominator. Okay? Have fun, guys.